Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. Stuck with you, and in truth, today when I already smiled because so the whole idea of this video was supposed to be a surprise birthday trip for Judah. I had gotten her sister to tell her that yo, you know, she's gonna be booking a trip for her and they're gonna go together. But Judah thinks it's a prank. She don't think it's actually real. Yo, it's like 5 minutes before the door closes. I don't know if they're pranking me or not. I don't think they're gonna make this flight, so yo, moral of the story guys, like don't try to prank like or whatever, create surprise or anything like that, because it might just gonna backfire. So I'm gonna go here and be by myself, and the worst part about it is that beside this person right now, and this person just sat on her phone constantly and yo,
hi guys, surprise birthday treat.
Y'all not gonna know exactly where we're going until we get there, but it's gonna be an entire vibe.
Wow.
Hey.
Hi.
Were you shocked? She was just like,
It's too early for this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Thanks, Vic.
Oh Lord.
In my head I was just like, yo, oh shit, you can't park the car here. Alright, thank you. Alright.
Message in here. Yeah. Y'all are not slick. La 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 la.
Yo, I legit forgot that you guys were here. But yeah, we are in JFK right now. We just went to Pandora, got Judah a charm. Yeah. I think last Valentine's I got her a charm with a crown. So she considers herself Queen J. So we got her the J just now. But anyway, we're heading to McDonald's, so you know that's the vibe. Yeah. Cause she loves McDonald's nuggets. And a sandwich?
Yeah, but I want a sandwich though. They have this amazing sandwich. I don't remember the name when I see or no. Yeah.
Thanks, babe. Alright, so I got some McDonald's. Man. She's a McDonald's freak. It's ridiculous. If you guys can guess what drink I have in here, just guess. So it's dark. Drop in the comments. It's legit one of my favorite drinks here, but for some reason in Jamaica, well, not for some reason, because it doesn't really taste good to many people, so yeah. But whenever I'm here, I normally get it. Alright, so I dropped some fries in there, and I kind of like a Big Mac-ish. But yeah, I always have fries in my burger. Let's get some food and all. Did you try burgers yet? No? Just the fries? Wow. Oh guys, look at this sorcery. Plastic straw. We don't have this anymore in Jamaica, it's just straight paper straws, but this is like this is ecstasy, and I have to worry about my straw being up. Alright guys, so we just completed a little layover just now, so we are trying to head onto the plane. I'm a bit tired because I haven't slept properly from yesterday. Judah is, I wouldn't say tired, but she, yeah.
I'm not as tired.
Yeah, I'm a lot more tired. But yeah, we're done on the plane right now, so when I get on the plane and I'll let you know. Hey, woman, like you have ackee and breadfruit in your bag, so. You know, ackee and breadfruit in your bag. Your bag, ibbysoai. Hey, no ackee and saltfish and a little pickle. So we just jumped on the plane a while ago, and Judah is so far from me.
Rollerboards are gonna have to go forward. We have no space back here for rollerboards. What do you have in your hand? I have a rollerboard.
Babe, you're so far.
He has a suitcase right here.
Anyway, we're on the final flight to the special place. Whenever we get there, you guys will know, and some of you guys are still curious, but yeah, when we get there, yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. Definitely gonna be a vibe. I'm super excited about this trip, to be quite honest. Alright guys, so we just arrived in our destination country. It's been a long trip, but yeah, here comes the hard part. The hard part is coming up, just to get the ride home. So yeah, but I'm excited, but I need to pee, like so bad. Alright, so we're here. Yo, it's the worst thing when you don't have like a trip as yet, no service, and you're getting a bit late, because like most of the stuff was hard contacting the person to pick me up. But anyway, got to run some little free Wi-Fi. They're on their way, so yeah, I just can't wait to get in and just relax a bit. Alright guys, so we just got to our place. The lady from the last time picked us up. I don't know if you guys might know where I'm at, but the persons who have, you know, watched my vlogs might know that lady that picked us up last time. So currently now we're in Mexico, and we had this Airbnb, which is really cool. I opted to go for a different style of Airbnb because, you know, traveling with Judah and we want more space for ourselves. So nice TV, probably like a 40-inch TV or whatever the case is, with a nice little kitchenette thing going on there. Cool part about it, because I told her that it was Judah's birthday, she got her some wine, which is really cool. And I like that they kind of pre-stock stuff. So like there's water there, there's snacks there, the fridge is stocked with some stuff, and well, the waters are complimentary. These two here are complimentary, but the rest are like, yeah, don't touch those. Anyway, it has air conditioning there, air conditioning there again, and nice little bed. Here, of course, is our little couch, which is a fold-out bed as well, so you can watch TV or whatever. I like the mirror because it's a full-on mirror, which is kind of cool. What I like about it, it gives the illusion that there is more space. So, for example, when you come here, it feels like there's another room over there. So that's a vibe. There's a balcony here outside, which is kind of cool. Trees blocking certain parts, so you have a little privacy. I like these little stools here, so you can, you know, eat some breakfast and stuff. You see, I thought there's another room there, but it's not. It's a private entrance, which is cool. The last time I was here, I was sharing things with people, you know, sharing space with people, which I didn't mind, because when you're in a new country, no problem. There is a safe, so that's the safe, as you guys could see. Towels, of course. And we made sure that we got like a his and her thing, because, you know, that's our vibe. So his and her, that pretty much everything here is a his and her vibe, because as you can see, the shower is a his and her shower as well, with places for a lot of positions. Yeah, so that's the vibe. We are in Cancun. This is Judah's surprise trip. Not so surprised, but yeah, you get the idea. Forgot to show you this part, which is really cool. I think this was like a really awesome touch, where they have some Christmas lights set up there. I like this kind of Christmas tree, where it's not really a tree, but it's like, you know, a representation of a tree, which is cool. I give them style points on that 100%. Yeah, And we got Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi seems to be working pretty good, which is a vibe. And there's cable as well, and there's Netflix. Now, the last time I was here, like the places that I stayed at never had some of these creature comforts, so that's a vibe. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna get ready to end the vlog here. This is it's gonna be a precursor to a lot of stuff, because you know there's so much content that I want to work on when I go back to Jamaica. You know, so much adventure, so much, you know, things that are food related that I'm gonna be doing when I go back to Jamaica. But of course, you know, it's Judah's birthday, so we're doing this. I have planned for her in particular about three things that I have planned. One, something basic, one kind of great, the other one's kind of grand, so it's kind of a vibe. So I might not be doing a lot of videos here, but I want the ones that I do to be like good. So hopefully we're here for like about 9 days. Hopefully I can do like 5 good videos and then get back home to Jamaica where I can like put in the real work. But anyway guys, remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.